Hello, my name is Mitch Lacey. If you're considering taking my Scrum classes, then I'm sure you have a lot of questions about what to expect and why you should choose me as your trainer. Let me give you some insight into why I believe I can provide the best learning experience for you. First and foremost, I've been immersed in the world of Agile for many years. In fact, I've been a practitioner since 2002, when I worked on my first project at Microsoft using extreme programming. Back then, Agile was still a relatively new concept, and most training consisted of just reading white papers. This left me feeling confused and unsure about how to really implement it. But through my own struggles and experiences, I've gained a deep understanding of the core values and principles of Scrum and Agile. But my expertise doesn't just come from theory. I also bring a diverse range of project management experiences to the table. Not only am I a certified Scrum trainer, I'm also a PMI PMP, project management professional, and an ACP, Agile certified professional. I've worked in various industries such as finance, healthcare, government, computer gaming, computer software, and even airlines. This means that I understand the challenges and realities of different organizations and can provide practical advice on how to navigate them. As a participant in my training, you will not only receive lifetime access to the current version of the pre-recorded online videos, but also all future versions of the course as well. You will also get soft copies of our exercises and slides so you can review and compare your notes whenever needed. As a bonus, I offer exclusive alumni events like Lean Coffee, where you can continue to learn and network with other professionals. And if you have any questions or need extra guidance, I'm always just a phone call or an email away. There's one point I want to make clear. My goal is not just to give you the certification. My goal is to help you succeed in truly implementing Scrum in your work. This will not happen overnight, but I'm committed to giving you the tools, tips, and tricks necessary that will set you on the path to success. However, it's up to you to put in the effort and the dedication to make it happen. I want to debunk the myth that attending any training will magically solve all your problems, because it won't. It's an excellent starting point for your journey towards becoming a Scrum practitioner. Don't take my word for it. I think it'll be fun. Many past participants have told me that my classes have been the most eye-opening and enjoyable of their professional development experiences. On a personal note, I like to think I'm a fun person to learn from. I may be a bit nerdy, as evidenced by my love for both Star Wars and Star Trek, but I also have other interests and responsibilities outside of work. My wife and I have 3 kids and 2 cats. So I understand the importance of balancing personal and professional life. In conclusion, if you're still trying to decide who to take your Scrum training with, consider that some trainers may simply just focus on giving you the certification. With me, you will not only receive the certification, but also valuable discussions, real-life experiences, and ongoing access to the learning materials. My ultimate goal is to truly help you understand and apply Scrum in your work. Thanks for considering me as your trainer. I look forward to meeting you in class.